Okay, this is a Carrier base model at Imagine heat pump. And the sticker, I can't get to the sticker. And that gate's all locked up. You see where the sticker is, I can't get to it, or I would, and plus it's hooked up to an alarm. And there, the shut off was in cooling mode. And there's another one on the other side, but we just stopped here to get a drink. But this place here is recently built. Let's see if there's another unit around back here where all the refrigerator components are. This is a brand new BP. Swing it over there. And turbo air condensing units. It's also locked up. This one's off. Manufactured 30th week of 2009 model 25HB36A510, I believe it is. These heat pumps. These are straight cool. No, these are heat pumps. These are heat pumps. And there's the turbo air condensing unit, the refrigerator component.